Hi there, it's Dr. David Greene, founder and CEO of R3 Stem Cell, the global leader in regenerative therapies. Today we're talking about ulcerative colitis and a recent study that was published in the Journal of Stem Cell Research and Therapy. Now, this was a very good study that included 41 patients with moderate to severe ulcerative colitis. Now, one of the problems with ulcerative colitis, which by the way is underneath the umbrella of inflammatory bowel disease, is that over half of patients fail conservative treatments and drugs. And then what can happen is an increased incidence of eventual colectomy or carcinoma. So that's an unfortunate end game that a lot of people have to face. Well, what they did with these 41 patients is they gave them IV infusions 2 times, 1 month apart, with umbilical cord mesenchymal stem cells of 1 million stem cells per kilogram. So what that means is if you weigh, let's say, 75 kilograms, about 160 pounds, you got 75 million stem cells twice. And then they followed up these patients for up to 3 years. So overall, it was a dramatic outcome. Patients needed much less medication. There was clinical remission in up to 60% of patients. The incidence of symptoms dramatically decreased. As I mentioned, abdominal pain went down, the bloody purulent stools went down, and the frequency of bowel movements went down as well. Now, a couple things to keep in mind. They did look at what's called adverse events, and the adverse events were very similar to what we see when we do these treatments. There was mild to moderate adverse events, nothing severe, such as a low-grade fever, headache, dizziness, lightheadedness, basically the same things that we see that self-resolved after 1 to 2 days. Okay, so umbilical cord mesenchymal stem cells are a fantastic option for those suffering from ulcerative colitis, and especially those who are having a lot of trouble tolerating the traditional medications. We offer treatment in several countries internationally. Call us today at +1 844 GET STEM. We'll get you set up for a free consultation, and visit us online at r3stemcell.com. If you scroll down the page, there's a free download on stem cell therapy for inflammatory bowel disease, which includes ulcerative colitis, and there's a lot of information in that download. Thanks for watching.